He always wants to get a snug. See, that's the thing about Charlie. He always wants to get a snuggle. He says, I don't care about no damn v-coptr. I want to get a snug. Oh, I know he is. That poor baby. All right, honey, thanks. He goes, I want a snuggle. Hell with that v-coptr. How much battery? I got 13 satellite, I got 85% of the battery. So I did 10 minutes of putzing around on the live stream. Now I'm going to stop the video here. And then I'm going to start it back up. Because you know what? When I did the first flight this morning, you know what I did is I corrupted the video because I turned the quadcopter off before I stopped the video on the app. And that, yeah, you know what that did, right? Yeah, it mauled the video. Okay, so let's just fly over there to the car wash or whatever. There's Advanced Auto. There's the whatever it is. Oh yeah, this thing flies great, man. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow. Nice. Who'd have thunk it, right? You know, it's really easy to see whenever the sky's all overcast like this. You can look up there and you can see it real easily, actually. Yeah, that's great. Oh yeah, it steers so nice. Wow. I hear you up there. Yeah guys, this is a real winner here, man. Fun flyer. Man, this is extremely stable. Wow. Can't get over it. And to think I got this so cheap. Right? Isn't that cool? I got this way cheaper than anybody who's gonna get this thing except the people that did the pre-order. The pre-order people got this thing a lot cheaper than the people are getting it now. Wow, this thing is nice. Oh, let me see what this other button does here. I was wanting to do that earlier. I mentioned I was going to do it and I never did it. This is the gimbal one. And then let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, you can do that right on the fly. Look at that. Wow. Wow, I could blow it all out or put it back. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. Oh, that would be that's a Ron Brown option right there. I mean, I'm not seeing any jello in the video, in the screen recording or anything, so this gimbal must be fairly decent, right? Let me go over here and turn on this obstacle avoidance, and we'll see how that works. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I guess you can't change it while it's going, but when it's in the air. All right. Now it is set to do it for return to home, which is what you want, because you're doing return to home. You can't see it for the most part, and so you want to know that it's not going to run into anything. Okay. So on its way back to you. Oh, it's very nice, man. It's very fast. Yeah, this thing is sweet as can be, man. Wow, I am just, man, am I psyched for this thing. Wow. I think this is going to be my favorite quad, out of the box type deal since the Mavic Mini. Because the Mavic Mini really blew me away. When that thing came out, I was like, wow. This is amazing for the size and the video it can take. I was blown away by that Mavic Mini. I made some videos about it. But this thing is, wow, this thing's doing the deal too. All right, guys. I'm shutting off that video and I'm gonna hit the land button. We're not doing any return to home, which I never do anyway, okay? I never use return to home. We'll try it out when we get out to the field or something. Look out, man, I'm just, phew. Call me damn impressed. Okay, I'm sorry. Call me impressed as hell. Wow. Who knew that this thing was going to be so badass? I think Ken did say he liked it, didn't he? Didn't Heron say it was nice? So, yeah, it is. All right, guys, man, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.